Hello, welcome back to the build brick by brick for each subscriber. So straight in today, I'm going to build as I go, but obviously I was on holiday, so there wasn't an episode last week, but all in all, since we last did one of these, we have had 38 new subscribers. So if you're one of those 38, thanks very much for subscribing. Hope you're enjoying it. I think off the top of my head, we are on episode 10 of this build. And you'll notice that I've moved outside today. And that is basically because it's 30 degrees today and it's around about 130 in my loft. So we won't be doing much in the way of being upstairs in this heat because it's like 40 degrees or something in the loft as it stands at this point in time. So not going to be doing that much up there as it stands, but it does make a nice change to be out in the garden where it's lovely and cool and refreshing. But anyway, as I said, if you're one of the 38 subscribers, thanks very much for that. The majority of those for these last 2 weeks came off TikTok. A total of 33 people off TikTok subscribed, which again, thank you very much if you're one of those people off TikTok that subscribed. It's greatly appreciated. The others came from YouTube, so again, thanks for the people on YouTube that subscribed. We didn't pick anybody up off Facebook or Instagram or any of the other platforms, but again, if you are one of the people that subscribed, it's much appreciated. Thank you very much. Mr. That goes in there. So actually quite a bit done on this now. We're well into the second bag. And it's taking shape quite well. I'm gonna fix them into there, and then while we're facing that way, I believe, yeah, we've got the two red bits in there, and then we're ready for the next stage, which is going to be that bit there. So much appreciated. If you've been watching, then stick with us. There we are, 38 pieces in, and we are on stage, or we're going to start on stage 56 of the build next time. So again, if you're one of the 38 subscribers, thanks very much. That's where we are. Hopefully we get it done by Christmas, but we'll wait and see. It's taking longer than I expected, but thanks for watching and stay tuned. Much appreciated.